Thanksgiving 2013. Jody's first carving experience. YouTube, we're about to hit you. Here we go. So I'm going to cut on the right side of the breast. Gently. It's nice and tender. Feels moist. Yeah. Now I'm going to cut on the left side of the breast.
You gotta remove it first.
Oh, remove it first. Thanks, Coach.
Thank you, Assistant McMath.
Yeah, we just YouTubed this. All right.
Then you remove it.
Should we name him before we do this?
No.
Franklin.
Franklin?
Franklin.
All right. Container. I don't think this is big enough. All right. Removing the breast.
I have some you can spare.
Ooh, looks good. All right.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Delicious.
Yeah. Ooh, wrong side.
It really does look good, though.
Yeah, it does. That, my friends, is a breast.
Ooh.
By the breast. It's a breast. Yeah. Now, the left side of the breast. I should be a surgeon. My precision is uncanny.
Look at that concentration. Oh my God, what is happening in the
What
background?
is happening over
don't
there?
know.
I don't think I want to know. Oh my gosh.
He's chasing the cat.
All right. Yeah, that's the
Lovely.
other breast. We're
Now
good.
you remove the drumsticks.
I don't want to do anymore. All right. I've lost attention for this.
Oh my God.
What God,
Someone's
somebody over there
choking.
is dying.
You have to cut it off.
Or you do?
Yeah.
You sure? That's what the video said. That's what we're
Cut through
doing.
the joints.
Ew.
Oh, we could take this to the Renaissance Festival.
Who's gonna eat the drumstick?
I don't know. We just need
Not
it
me.
for picture's sake. I'm not about to eat it.
That's like what the men eat.
Calm down. Come on. I can't get it. It's like...
Oh my God, please don't make that fly all over the place. Do you still want me recording you?
No, please stop.
Wait,
Oh!
say your... Hey, where's the wishbone?
That's the middle part. You have to
Is-
clean and demeat.
Wait, say your final thoughts.
And that's a wrap.